Hello everyone! Are you dealing with electrical issues in your car? Maybe your sensors aren't working properly, or you're getting multiple error codes? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0697, sensor reference voltage C circuit open, this means a major issue in your car's electrical system. A faulty voltage reference can affect multiple sensors, engine performance, and even fuel economy. In this video, I'll explain what P0697 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0697? The P0697 trouble code stands for Sensor Reference Voltage C Circuit Open. Your car's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, sends a 5V reference signal to multiple sensors including Throttle Position Sensor, TPS, Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, MAP, Crankshaft Position Sensor, CKP, Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor. If the C voltage circuit is open, broken, or disconnected, these sensors won't work correctly, leading to poor performance, misfires, or even stalling. Common symptoms of P0697. Check engine light on reduced engine performance, hard starting or no start fuel economy. Drop multiple sensor-related codes. If your car has these issues, let's find out where the problem is. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0697, check these critical components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, location, firewall under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Function, sends a stable 5V reference to sensors. Throttle Position Sensor, TPS. Location, mounted on the throttle body, near the air intake. Function, measures throttle position for acceleration control. Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, MAP. Location, on the intake manifold or near the throttle body. Function, monitors air pressure for fuel injection adjustments. Crankshaft Position Sensor, CKP, location, near the crankshaft pulley or transmission bell housing. Function, tracks crankshaft rotation for ignition timing. Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, location, near the timing cover, cylinder head, or camshaft. Function, helps the PCM adjust fuel injection timing. Sensor wiring and connectors. Location, wiring harness running from the PCM to the sensors. Function, carries the 5V reference signal. Damaged wires can break the circuit. Common causes of P0697. 1. Broken or disconnected wiring. A cut wire or loose connection in the circuit can open the circuit. 2. Faulty PCM. The PCM may not be supplying the correct reference voltage. 3. Short circuit or corrosion. Water damage or wear can break the signal. 4. Malfunctioning sensor. A shorted sensor could disrupt the voltage supply. 5. Bad ground connection. Poor grounding can prevent proper voltage flow. How to fix P0697. Step 1. Check PCM power and ground connections. Make sure the PCM is receiving and delivering proper voltage. Step 2. Inspect sensor wiring and connectors. Look for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose pins. Step 3. Test the 5V reference signal with a multimeter. If it's missing, the problem is in the PCM or wiring. Step 4. Check individual sensors. Unplug sensors one by one to see if a faulty sensor is causing the issue. Step 5. Repair or replace damaged components. Fix wiring, replace sensors, or in rare cases replace the PCM. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0697 can lead to sensor failures, poor fuel economy, and unexpected stalling. Fixing this issue will restore proper sensor function and prevent further damage. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0646, AC Clutch Relay Control Circuit Low. P0647, AC Clutch Relay Control Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.